If you've been looking for a perfect smart money concepts tool that can identify market structure in real time and give you highly accurate trade entries, the updated version of Smart Money Concepts by Lux Algo is exactly what you need. This tool might look a bit advanced if you're a beginner, but don't worry, in today's video I will teach you an easy and effective way of using it so that you can make profits like this consistently from any market. I will also backtest this indicator 100 times on the price of GBP JPY on a 1 minute time frame. I use TraderEdge for backtesting strategies. In my opinion, this is the best backtester out there. Thousands of traders around the world are using TraderEdge to get an edge in their competition. TraderEdge is 3 times faster than a traditional backtesting method. All you need to do is to set your initial account size and the profit and loss per trade. TraderEdge will give you all the info you need about the strategy, such as the win ratio, the profit and loss, the maximal drawdown, and much more. Once you finish the backtesting, you can save the results to the strategy library. Besides their quick and easy backtester, they've also got some other useful features on their website, such as the position size calculator, which can be really handy for those who trade Forex and commodities, the profit and loss calendar, where you can track your trading performance and make some important notes, and the indicators and strategies menu. Here you can find and download some super accurate tools for MT4 and TradingView platforms, and they've all been proven to work. If you're not entirely sure how to backtest, no worries, you will get a full step-by-step backtesting plan which has $100 value. If you're not sure how to build a profitable trading strategy, no problem. You will also get a full course on how to build a profitable mechanical trading strategy which has $270 value. And if you sign up right now, they'll also include 4 pre-made high-quality strategies that have $100 value. So that's around $500 worth of bonuses, all for free, but only if you sign up right now. TraderEdge has a 7-day free trial, so there is absolutely no risk at all. So go ahead and check it out. I will leave a link in the description below. Okay, so in order to add this indicator to the chart, we need to head over to the indicators section and select the Lux Algo Premium Price Action Concepts. So we have the indicator installed, and now let me quickly explain what it consists of. Okay, so let's first start with this charge or change of character label. This can be bullish and bearish. A bullish change of character occurs whenever the price action breaks above the most recent swing high for the first time. Notice the price action was heading downwards, and then the market made a pullback. And as soon as the price action broke above the peak of this second wave, a bullish change of character label was printed. This indicates that the market is potentially reversing to the upside or simply entering a consolidation phase. The change of character can be considered as an entry point, however, I'd be very careful with that because the trend is not confirmed yet. On the other hand, a bearish change of character occurs whenever the price action breaks below the most recent swing low. So here we see that this bearish candlestick broke below the most recent swing low. This indicates a momentum change from bullish to bearish. The indicator spotted that and it printed a bearish change of character. Alright, now let's move on to the next label, which is break of structure or BOS. This also can be bullish and bearish. A bullish break of structure occurs whenever the price action breaks above the most recent swing high for the second time. So here we see a structure where the market has formed 2 higher highs, and then it continued to move to the upside, breaking the most recent higher high again. If, for example, we had the price moving to the downside, where this bearish candlestick crosses and closes below the recent swing low, a bearish change of character would have occurred. On the other hand, a bearish break of structure occurs whenever the price action breaks below the most recent swing low for the second time. This indicates that the market is officially in a downtrend and is more likely to continue to move to the downside. Unlike the change of character, the break of structure label can be considered as an entry point. This indicator also identifies fair value gaps in the price action. It shows the proportion of bearish and bullish volumes, which is very important to know. It also shows the overall volume in the market at a certain price level. This basically tells us how interested the market participants are in buying or selling the security at a certain price. And the last piece this indicator consists of is this table. It basically shows the overall trend direction of the market on different timeframes. Okay, now you know what this indicator consists of. Let me now teach you how to use it on practice when entering long and short trades. Okay, let's first learn the rules for entering a long trade. First, the indicator must print a bullish break of structure label. As we already know, this happens when the price action breaks above the most recent swing high. Second, the candlestick that breaks the structure must be bullish and it must be really strong. Third, the bullish volume on the most recent fair value gap must be higher than the bearish volume. This means that the green bar must be longer than the red bar. If these conditions are met, a buy order will be placed at the close of the trigger candlestick, the stop loss will be set slightly below the most recent fair value gap, the take profit target will be set at 1.5 times the risk. Here's another example for a long trade. We see the indicator just spotted a bullish break of structure. The candlestick that created a breakout is bullish and it's very strong. Also, if we take a look at the most recent fair value gap, we see that the volume is mainly bullish. The rules for taking a short trade are exactly opposite. First, the indicator must print a bearish break of structure label. Second, the candlestick that broke the structure must be a really strong bearish candlestick. Third, a bearish volume on the most recent fair value gap must be higher than the bullish volume. The stop loss will be set slightly above the most recent fair value gap. The take profit target will stay the same as for long positions. If you want to be on a safer side even more, you can check the overall trend direction on different timeframes before entering a trade. As we can see, the trend is mainly bearish on higher timeframes. This gives us more confidence when entering a trade. Okay traders, now you know exactly how to use this indicator. Now let's move on to the backtesting to find out its true win rate. So after taking 100 trades with the strategy, we can see that the results look really good. The win rate is 74% and we increased the account size by 427.03%. By the way, I found those setups within 3 weeks. The profit factor is 4.27 and the maximum drawdown is 3.96%. Overall, the backtesting results look really good. However, you must keep in mind that these numbers will be lower when trading live because of spreads and fees. By the way, if you want to make even more money when trading with this indicator, you definitely need to apply the money management strategy I shared in this video right here.